Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra. You can go ahead and call your girl T. As you can tell by the title, we are doing all of the Juvia's Place. We have the full collection here of all of the red and berries lipstick. I'm going to be doing all of the swatches for you guys so that you can see it on my skin tone, and we're going to see what's working for us. And I'm super excited. I did the nudes collection if you haven't seen that one already, and I still use all of them to this day. In this entire collection for the reds and berries, it has 9 regular matte lipsticks, 2 liquid lipsticks, 2 of their glosses, and then 4 of their lip reflex gloss, which is like more of like the pigmented, and it also comes with 2 lip liners. So what I currently have on is a liquid lipstick, and these are mini size, and this is in the red velvet, super duper bright red. I did tone it down with the wine pencil. The applicator is just the typical felt tip. This is a darker red in comparison, I believe. Very hard to tell. Yeah, this is definitely more of like a wine color versus the other red is definitely true to red. So the wipes I'm going to be using today to switch between all of my lipsticks is from the brand called Refreshments, and this is a part of my Ipsy Glam bag that I got for this month. Shout out to them for sponsoring this. I wanted to go ahead and put that out there. These wipes include argan and sunflower seed oil and aloe vera juice, so they're super refreshing. This is the first time that I threw on a wipe, and I was like, wow, I don't feel gross afterwards. I don't know, it's great. To save my lips from completely drying out, this is gonna be what the girlies are using. I will have the link down below if you guys wanna sign up for a monthly membership. Price that you pay for your monthly membership, you're getting so much more in your bag, and it's always good quality, high quality brands. So shout out to them. Wow, so yeah, that got off so much so quickly, and my lips are literally super hydrated. We're gonna go ahead and use the Luxe liner pencil in the color wine, and I'm gonna line my lips. These are also my favorite liners. I've been using the nude ones. Anytime I do a makeup application, I use these now. They're amazing. This is the color Scarlet. Gorgeous, literally gorgeous. So this is definitely a darker, more muted tone than the red velvet. Again, as you can see how this is starting to dry, it is like, you know, liquid lipstick, so it is wet at first and then it dries down. I really like the brighter color. I like both of these. These are both gonna get put to use. Pairing that with the wine liner, chef's kiss. I think for a liquid lipstick, this is perfect. It is not too dry. You're able to move. I never have any complaints, really, truly, and honestly, about Juvia's Place. That's why I picked up their entire line, because it's great. Perfect color for my skin tone. I think both of those are 10 out of 10. I will be wearing both those liquid lipsticks for sure. Now let's go ahead and jump into the Velvety Matte Lipsticks. Actually, I'm gonna do the berries first. We're gonna use wine for all 3 of these colors. The first color that I'm doing is Drama Queen, and I love the packaging. The other ones were nude at the top, so these ones are purple. I'm assuming that the red ones will be red. We'll see. But look how beautiful. In regular fashion, it is having that slightly triangular cut on the sides here. Lipstick, same exact way as the nudes. Nothing has changed here, and there's no reason to change it. It's beautiful. So let's go and put this on. A little bit more wiggle room with this than you would have with the liquid lipsticks, but again, the liquid lipsticks aren't giving Kylie Jenner. You know, I'd be throwing this shade, I'm sorry. Hers for like the driest, cannot move your mouth liquid lipstick out. The girls were not speaking at all back then because they weren't able to. So this is Drama Queen. Next color we are doing is called Frenemies in the Berries group. Here's this shade. Kind of hard to see the difference between them, to be honest. They are very close. So Frenemy is obviously much darker, has more of a blue undertone to it, and it's almost borderline black. It's a very deep dark plum, and I love it. It's very cute. This is probably my favorite at the moment. Where was you in the beginning of fall? We missed you. So that is Frenemy. Okay, wine is on again, barely. And now we are going to our next color, which is Oh Damn. This better be Oh Damn if we calling it that. So here is Oh Damn. It's probably my least favorite out of the 3, but again, they're all fire, so I'm definitely gonna use all 3. I think she's the lightest out of the 3. I could be wrong. Now we'll be moving on to the reds, and we'll be doing the cherries, which is their brighter red colors first, very similar to the liquid lipstick. So the liner for this is called Ruby. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips first. At a good place there. The very first color that we're doing is called Afrique, and as anticipated, this is going to have a bright red packaging versus the other ones had the purple. So this is bright. If I were to wear this color just by itself, I would definitely pair it with a darker liner, but super cute. Even if I was doing like an ombre lip, this would be the middle color for me. A little too bright. We're not mad at it. We're not mad at it, honestly. That's simply just a preference. Some people wear this on their lips and they cool. Next color we have here is called the Perfect Red. So let's hope that it's perfect. Showing you guys this. It looks exactly like my robe that I have on. Beautiful. Love it. This is like just the shade that you need. There's a reason why this is called the Perfect Red. This will be my go-to grab. This that girl, period. Okay, the last color with the cherries is called So Red, and I think this one might be even more orange and more bright than the others, so we will see what the Girlies is hitting for. So Red sounds a little stressful for me. So I could have made the first one work. This one maybe with one of the wine colors and this in the middle, but as itself, it's a no for me, baby. I feel distressed. Honestly, truly, this would be great for an ombre, but ooh, I almost broke it. See, never by itself. Let me get this off my face ASAP. Here is So Red for you. Yeah, my lips are not hurting at all. These wipes are elite. I'm gonna go in with Ruby again. It's up in the air if you should be using berry or the red liner. They only give you 2 lip liners. I'm gonna try the red and see if that works, and we'll adjust if we need to. So the first color out of the wine colors, this is why I think I need the wine, because it literally uses the word wine. First color is Rouge. So it is a much darker color here, probably where I'll feel more comfortable for sure. I keep saying like, oh, this one's my favorite, but this one might actually be my favorite. I love this tone. It has enough red to it. It has a little bit of purple to it, so this is just like perfect for wine, and I'm feeling her. Next color we have here is called Fierce, looking a little bit more burgundy to me. I'm gonna say based off of the top of the lid, it's gonna tell you which lip liner you should be using. So pro tip there, if you see a red top, then that means you need to be using the Ruby, and if you see the purple one, that means you should be using the wine. This is like if the reds and the berries had a baby. We're here. She's cute. She has a little bit of a red undertone. I'm feeling her. All of these is just like grown woman going out vibes. So going to get dinner, just a great time. So next color we have here is called Root Girl, and it is a little bit more on the purpley side. Looking pretty plum to me here. So is this my favorite color? I don't know how she's different from the rest, but I love her. Now we're gonna go on to the Lip Reflect glosses, and showing the color as true to form, we are going to just put this color on with no lip liner. So this is Culture. It is a super red here. Here it is. As you can see, she is very shiny. This is the Lip Reflect. I actually really like this color, surprisingly. Okay, next color we have on the list is called Maroon, and this is much darker here and very plummy. Woo, bright. Okay, very dark. I know people like to put these over the lipstick, and that's the point of them, or with the liner, but just for the sake of this video, I am only putting these on. Disclaimer, I think in Juvia's Place's head, you put this over the lipstick, but I like to wear a couple of the nude ones by themselves. So here is Maroon. Okay guys, the next color I have here is called Cherry Love. It is a super bright red, just like the first one that we tried on, Culture. Probably brighter than Culture, to be honest. Like this will be used with like So Red. I actually like this one as well. We are 2 for 3. I enjoy this one. Like early 2000s, that Okay, the next color we have here is called She's Royal, and it is a purpley shade, a bit lighter than the other one. I'm sure I'm still not going to wear it, but I'll show it to y'all. I mean, she's not bad, she's just not cherry love. You feel me? The berries are doing nothing for me in the lip reflex, truly and honestly. I also see no reason to put that on over the lips, so I'm just gonna say I am 2 for 4 in the lip reflex, and we're gonna leave it at that. Let's go ahead and go on to the glass glosses, and then we'll be all finished. Before we get on to the glass glosses, I did want to talk about the formula of the lip reflect glosses. They are extremely thick, guys. To be able to get that much pigment into a gloss, they're gonna be thick. The glass glosses are thick too, but I think the lip reflect is thick, honey. It's not coming off. If you get a drink, it's going to be on the cup. A lot of it is THICC thick. With the glass glosses, there are 2 colors here. One is obviously red and one is berry. It is Ruby Rose and Sweet Beets. I'm gonna do the Sweet Beets first because I don't know, I'm stressed now with the berries. So here is Sweet Beets. It is a gloss, of course. It is translucent. I'm hoping you guys can see that here through the light. It should not be that dark because it is a gloss. It's really just gonna be tinted, I'm assuming. It just looks like a regular lip gloss to me, so I'll definitely keep it and I'll definitely use it. Okay, last color we have here is called Ruby Rose, and I'm gonna assume this is the same as the Sweet Beets, but I'm just showing you guys. Very thick. Yeah, I think the lip reflex are thicker, to be honest. That stuff is thick. I don't mind it, but some people don't like that. This is definitely more red. It's not anything crazy. I actually would wear this one as well. So these are great to just like pop on if you're having some ultra dry lips. Anyways, guys, that is all that I have for you today. I hope that I was able to give you all of the rundown, all of the tea on these colors on brown skin. As always, I love Juvia's Place. I always get their full collections. I use them so much. They're my favorite lipsticks out of every brand at the moment. I just love the colors, love the shades. So I hope these swatches were great for you guys. And I'll put all the information down below for Ipsy. If you guys want to become a member of their Glam bags, super amazing. My lips have made it through, guys. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video.